Let's go again. Hey, look, it's not backwards this time. Yay, Dr. Mario's on. Nobody cares about that, do they? They don't want you stealing from me. Ooh, look, jumping speed, my favorite. How lucky. Right? Right? You don't care, do you? Get in. Stupid Sculler. No. Come back here. Stupid Steelers. Okay, for all you Steelers fans out there, I did not mean like Steelers. Another one? How many of those are there? Well, at least he committed suicide, right? Wait a minute, I thought that I was supposed to do something. Oh well, at least I can get to steal their special attacks. No stat boost. There's no boost right here? Come on, ooh, this is 2. Let me get that. 2 and jump. I missed the jump, didn't I? Where's the all? Where's the olive oil? Come on, stop sleeping, Luigi. No sleeping on the job. Or the smash run. No, stop. Stupid coughing. You're too slow. Did that Scuttler just really commit suicide? Scuttlers are stupid. No. Whew. Luckily, I survived. No, not you. No. Luigi, run away. Lots of defense. Big haul. Treasure chests on treasure chests, huh? Of course, there's gonna be a lot of Steeler guys around. Treasure chests don't really give you that much, though. Why don't I just do that? Wait a minute. So if I hang on to something, I'm invincible. It doesn't make much sense. Target smash. Oh yeah, give me hard. I like challenges. Why do I have to name this series Smash Fails? What are those guys even called? Treasure chest right next to a door. Huh. Gee, talk about stocking up. Hey, this is effective. Come on. Finally. Worry about getting those power-ups later. Man, what the heck. I'm probably not gonna succeed anyway. Smash run. And this game is so unrealistic in so many ways. I mean, not even the strongest people can jump in the air. And I mean, really. Why do these people hate me so much? Unless it's staged. Dun. Conspiracy theory. How could Smash possibly be staged? I mean, that just doesn't make sense. Ooh! No, come back. You did. 3, 2, 1, time! Yippee. Now what? Nothing of mine is the highest? Guess I'm just not good enough. Glorious Smash? What is a glorious Smash? That Kirby looks weird. Come on. Kirby! Goodbye, Kirby. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Stop. Who's on my team? I'm Red. So means Donkey Kong's on my team. Okay then. You know, the definition of this is epic final battle, but I see nothing epic about a single battle. I mean, a single 1-minute battle. Right? Ugh, my neck hurts. Nobody wants to hear that. Did I just kill myself? Yup. Man, I can't wait till I get a capture card. Last minute suicide that does nothing whatsoever. Oh, oops. Well, that's it for Smash Run Fails today. You can see that I lost miserably. Look. I mean, really? I mean, look at this. -3. Goodbye.